Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Zoe from CJdropshipping. In today's video, we will be going through the top 100 best sellers and the beginners on CJdropshipping in the past 30 days. And based on this data, I analyzed which niche are trendy and which niche should avoid in the coming May. If you like this video and think it is helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel to show your support. We will update more valuable content regularly. Like that bell so you won't miss out on any latest content. Let's jump into the content. Here is the list of top 100 best sellers on CJdropshipping in April ranked by girls. From the list, we can see the product's name and their orders and the growth. And there are 2/3 of the products got growth and the rest got a sharp decrease. And many niche got great sales with positive growth, many more with negative growth was trending in the previous months. So I marked the same niche with the same color to view the table in a much clearer way. Guys, don't worry about pausing the video or take screenshot for the list. I have posted a list of top 100 best sellers in May down in the description section. Feel free to download the list or check it out later. Garden niche. Let's take a look at the first niche, garden niche. Surprisingly, there are 6 products from the garden niche on the list with all positive growth, and 5 products are on the top 50. And one soil losing tool, a ground drill, even ranked the top 3. Got 11,108 orders and 5,772 growth in the past 30 days. The rapid rise of this kind of garden niche products really surprised me because if you have checked what to sell in April last month, our top 100 best sellers in April have totally no sign of growth of garden niche products at all. When we move to Google Trends, interest in garden and planting will have a significant rise shortly. Moreover, there are generally fewer niche stores selling garden products, which means their competitiveness is relatively low. Many people have seen ordinary planting barrel like this and this. What about this Wall Mountain planting bag? It includes 7 planting barrels and can hang on the courtyard wall, maximizing the use of all the space of the balcony or backyard or decorate walls. And it costs $1.78. The total dropshipping price is $14.43 to the USA. We suggest selling it in packs or combine with other gardening products to increase the dropshipping value. Just having planting bucket alone for your store isn't enough. Why not take a look at this gardening detector perfectly for gardening newbies? Its smart flower monitor can connect with all kinds of phones. Simply insert the detector in the soil. It will monitor the temperature, moisture, sunlight, and the nutrient. And we can easily check these data on the phone. With this product, you don't have to worry about cultivating precious flower anymore. Organizer. The next niche that I suggest selling in May is an organizer. It's a proven seller in March and April. This time we got 6 organizer products on the list, and 5 products got positive growth. They are sorted from kitchen organizer to bathroom organizer to one-finger products organizer. Anyway, they are all under the home improvement category. The home improvement niche is an evergreen niche with a vast amount of products. Listed organizers are all problem solvers, can be used daily or sell all year around. So I have selected 2 latest organizers with lower budget for you guys. Check out this faucet holder for less than $2. Easily plug into all sizes of faucets, and the large basket can store sponges or dish soap. Extra hoop on this side can hang on clothes or towel. It can be used for the kitchen faucet or bathroom shower rod. Silver and matte black, 2 colors can match with all colors of faucets. It costs from $1.65 to $1.74 upon the different variants. The total dropshipping price to the USA is $7.25 to $7.34. Plus, it's a recently proven seller on AliExpress. Another product is a foldable car storage bag. Large storage space with foldable design can greatly help organize the truck space. When you don't need it, it can be folded and doesn't take much space. The unique felt design allowed the storage bag to be glued on the base of check. Never worry about the box sloshing around or fall out. 3 colors are available and only cost $2.25 per item, and the total dropshipping price is $13.03 to the US, with 8 to 13 days CJ packet ordinary shipping. Sports and outdoor. As the weather gets warmer and the COVID-19 is under control with the vaccine, more and more people are willing to go outdoors and start activities. We can see people jogging in the neighborhood, family go out camping, even sailing. That's all well shown in our top 100 best sellers in April. 4 products were on the list with all positive growth. Speaking of camping, we definitely can't miss out on the tent. Take a look at these 2 tents. Quick opening tent for multi-user and tent for pets. Isn't it amazing that you can camp with your pets and you own a tent and your dog has a small one too? You can sell it as a combo to increase the dropshipping value and attract pet lovers. The adult tent has 5 colors and 3 sizes available, suitable for 1 person to 4 person. For more detailed product information, you should check the products in CJ. I have posted all the product links that I have mentioned down in the description section. Don't forget to check it out later. Niches should avoid in May. We have talked about many niches that suggest selling in May. So what are the niches we should avoid in May? Take a look at these products I marked in red. And I'm sure you guys have figured out the niche. Yes, fitness. Only 30 products got negative growth this time, and the fitness have 5 products. In the last month's prediction video, fitness products got 50-50 positive and negative growth, and I suggest avoid this niche. It turns out I'm right about it. The fitness market is oversaturated, and the search volume didn't expand if we check the Google trends. Too many people are known for fitness and selling it. And another niche we should avoid is the pet niche. You may wonder, Zoe, I saw pet products have positive growth products and negative growth products. It should be an okay niche to sell, and why you are saying we should avoid it? In our previous what to sell video, I suggest selling pet hair removal products because the weather has started to get warmer, and the pet molting season has arrived. If you find more detail at this list, you will find those pet products that got positive growth are all grooming products. But don't forget that the pet molting season is very short, so once the period has passed, the sale of pet grooming products will drop dramatically. So why not move to more trendy niche to avoid the risk? That's all for today's video about what to sell and shouldn't sell in May. All the products I have mentioned above in the top 100 bestseller list from CJ have posted down in the description section. Comment below, let us know your opinion for my niche prediction in May. Always hit the like and subscribe to our channel CJ Dropshipping to show your support. Your likes will drive us to make more valuable content. Please share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends and coworkers. Thank you for watching it. See you next time. Bye!